Alright, so this is the refrigerator evaporator cover assembly. It's starting to rust a little bit down here, which is it's not good because then all this rust goes down into the defrost drain system. That can cause a clog. So what I'm gonna do is sand it a little bit and kind of spray this pan spray over it, and that should kind of stop it from rusting like it is. Get all that rust. Make sure you guys wear gloves when y'all doing this. I'm an experienced professional. This thing is razor sharp. So there you go. Get it all sanded. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna sand over here. Trying to hold it while I'm sanding. Give me a second here so I can get this sanded properly. Let's see here. Okay, guys. So I had to get two hands to sand that really good. Now it's good to go. I can just wipe it off with a piece of paper towel. I shook this can pretty well already. It should do it. Just gonna put a light coating on it. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just got to stop really from rusting. Wipe it off really good. That looks good. Yeah, it doesn't have to be pretty. We ain't going for perfect. We're just trying to put a coating on there to kind of just stop the rust. Gonna move it over here, put one of these towels on the paver piece. Actually not one. So paint the paver in. Just to get all that rust off. I say it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not going for perfection. Just trying to get that off of there. I guess I got it on pretty thick. Okay, nothing wrong with that. That side is looking good. Let that stay out here and dry. It's gonna do more good with a coat of this on it than not. So doesn't have to be pretty. Oh, look at that! I done paint up the grass. Silly me. All right. Well, let me get back in here. Trying to wrap up this seal system I'm doing.